Took my sunglasses off. We do have some seepage. Got my wig split, boys. Damn, I was just looking at the hammer. Look what it says on it. It says wear safety glasses on it.
This has to prove that I'm one of the stupidest YouTubers on the planet.
Hey, what's up? I just got a package in the mail from one of my subscribers, but this is no ordinary subscriber. This subscriber just happens to be a guy named Nate from Essential Craftsman. If you don't know who Essential Craftsman is, they have over 1 million subscribers, and they are like the OGs of the construction niche here on YouTube. They were one of the very first people to give me my very first big break and gave me a podcast when I had about 300 subscribers. I appreciate you, Nate. You saw something in me, and I always will look up to you guys, you and your pops, man. Anyways, let's see what's inside here. Looks like we got a couple stickers. Ooh. Oh, baby. I hope that's hickory. I mean, mahogany. I'm just kidding. Whoa, look at that, man. Hey, I want to show you something. Look at that. And then look at this side. You focus in on that? Essential Craftsman. You know, that's what YouTube's all about. Sometimes you can't get out and do a collab in person, but you can still do a collab by sending people stuff. You want to tell them what we got going on today, Pops? Real quick.
Getting a little scrap down the road, get rid of it.
How often does this happen? About
twice a year.
Twice a year. There you have it, folks. I'll pick up stuff. Like, we picked up that lawnmower just because it was handy. But all the rotors and stuff, that's from our trucks. My dad's not going. You're not going, are you? All right, boys. We're headed to the scrapyard, or once a year scrapyard run. Now, I can't film a whole bunch, but I do want to ask you guys. I got 2 hot water heaters, a lawnmower, a railing, a culvert with some dirt in it, another culvert with some dirt in it, a culvert that doesn't have dirt in it, buckets that don't have anything in it, wire mesh, steel rebar, wire, rotors. How much do you guys think I'm going to get out of this? It's paying $135. It's paying $135 a ton for sheet metal. I used to be a scrapper before. Oh, I got pots and pans too that I need to clean those off of. That ain't gonna work. Try it right-handed. That'll work. I'm telling you, I used to do this shit for a living. I mean, when I was doing bad, I used to do this for a living. Ouch. Yep. So now it's fucking bolt. Hopefully I don't trip on it. Hopefully I don't trip out about that. That one needs to come off too. Fucking. That one's on there. I'll tell you what. It's a nice, oh, it was a nice skillet. It ain't no nice skillet now. Damn, I bit the shit out of that. Non-stick, made in China. That's why I thought this was a nice skillet until I turned it over and saw it says made in China on it. Yeah, we definitely got to get the handle off that one. I just got this hammer from Essential Craftsman. Let's see how it works. Split me the open. Split me wide open. Gotta go. Split me wide the open. And I still got an eye. Hope. Where's my phone at? I can't even barely see. Holy. Well, your boy's an idiot. While I was cleaning that scrap metal, I hit it with that hammer and it flew up and hit me in the fucking bridge of my eye, dude. Blood everywhere. And now I look like a pirate. I'm sitting in the hospital. It hit me in the chin too, but that wasn't shit. I saw stars and blood everywhere. I wrapped it with my t-shirt and threw it away. Here. Throw it away in there. But yeah, it sucks. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot on that one. Yeah, that was stupid. I'm cleaning it for 25 cents anyway. I don't even, that was, here it is. Oh man, I just cleaned it. It ain't even that bad. It's just a little scratch. Just barely. You see how it's all ran down though. It cut me like whoop. Got close to my eye. Hit me real close. I'll probably still get a black eye from this. Black eye and stitches. And I took it on the chin too. Tell you what, I lost the fight, but I ain't gonna lose the war.
20 minutes later.
Alright, we're on the way back to the scrapyard. Don't mind me, but I'm about to show you guys where this happened at. Pull into this parking lot right here at this apartment complex. Right here at this G, whatever that G stands for. And it happened right there. But we are here at Ray's Recycling. First thing you do is you pull on that scale. How you doing?
And that's your number? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Do the gate to the stop sign. Wait till I know where to go.
Alright, thanks. We got a price sheet. We got this. You put this up here. They write your weight on it. First weight we do, we'll do shredder, which is those pieces of plastic on it. I leave on anything that's got metal, and we'll weigh again. We'll weigh out for sheet metal, and then I'll take everything else inside. Alright, as you see, they got all sorts of different things here. They got shredder, they got torcher. They're torching that metal up. Man, that job sucks. Let me tell you what. And then they got that. That's their shredder pile. That's their sheet metal pile. So I'll have to wait till that dude leaves. Alright, we're pulling up. I gotta back in that pile. Damn, old boy getting it. Alright. Yeah, right there. Alright, I got all the straps off. So start rolling those bitches off. Alright, boys. I got half this shit off already. I got this lawnmower to get off next. It sure ain't worth busting your head open for. What's your channel? It's called Grub Mud. Alright, that's all that. Now we gotta go over the scale one more time. It's a lot of work, and it ain't worth busting your eye over. Show you what they got in here, just out of curiosity. Yeah, they got the indoor scale house. Then they got all this. They've got bundles of aluminum. I'm not sure what the tires are for. Just bundles. And this isn't even their big yard. They got a bigger yard in Indianapolis. This is like a little catch yard right here. But ain't none of it. I mean, it used to be worth busting my eye over, but it ain't no more. I'm probably bleeding like a mug out that bitch. Look. I don't even know, man. I don't know, but this is definitely the thumbnail. Alright, so we go back over this. I give her the ticket. She writes that down. Then we go over for sure. Yep, gotta go through the old yard again. Okay, thanks. Alright. Set that up there so you don't lose it. I already lost that price sheet. He pushed it all up there now. I'm just putting all my shit in sheet metal. Alright, boys, I'm getting all the rest of this off. All the rest of this. You gotta know what you're doing. One last time across the whew, I'll tell you what, that lady was pretty nice. The one that was on the forklift. Oh, thank you. Alright, what we get? 111, that's better than I thought. Plus I still gotta take this stuff in there. Alright, now we're going in here. So like I'm not gonna record in here, but we just do all those like rotors and stuff, auto cast, which pays a lot better. So I'm gonna turn you guys off for a second here. Yeah, so they just do that, and then they give you a ticket and you go in that little room. But we're going in here to get paid out. Let me show you how this works. You just hold it up like this. 3 beeps. She'll print you out right here. ATM. Got 41 plus 112. You call it. You think it was worth it or not? It don't stop me from getting my daily workout in. I like to shoot baskets, rock climb, go to the trampoline park, but it don't stop me from doing that. It's windy out here. You got to know how to shoot with the wind. Let me show you how to do that. Okay. First shot, I swear, first shot. Was that my first shot? I mean, since I put the camera up. Yeah. If you guys don't know who this is Nate from Essential Craftsman. Yeah, this is Nate. Oh, wait, is it pointing at you? There it is. This is Nate from Essential Craftsman, and they sent me a hammer to try on my YouTube. Well, they just sent it to me out of love, but I'm going to try it on my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful hammer, and is it your dad's design? Is that what it was?
Yeah, he had an idea for that hammer back in the 80s when he was setting concrete forms for a living, you know, when I was a tiny kid, and he was just working like a dog. And you know, that moment where you got to like, you're pounding stakes, but then the form is crowding up. He's like, if only I had something to dig it out. So he had that idea for a lot of years, and then finally had a chance to make one, and he loves it. He's been using it now for probably 6 or 7 years, and he just loves it. So we're trying to just get him more out there to guys like you, who know what it's like.
Well, I love it. You guys were very smart. You put your logo right here, and you put your logo imprinted in the steel, which is very nice. And it says form setter right there. It's beautiful. What's the handle made out of, just out of curiosity?
I believe it's hickory, but don't quote me on that. They're made by Andrew Larson, who I believe is in Tennessee, maybe. He's a blacksmith. So these are handmade in the USA by a guy, you know, working in his forge. It's like old-fashioned tool, you know, made by one expert for another expert.
They're very nice. They do say wear safety glasses on it. Why did they say wear safety glasses?
Yeah, exactly.
See, I was actually scrapping metal yesterday, dude, and I gave the safety glasses to my daughter, so I wasn't wearing them. And I used the pointed end and I hit it to clean some steel, to clean some aluminum, and a pan flew up, and a piece of a pan flew up and hit me. I wasn't wearing my safety glasses. I was lucky, dude. If it would have been an inch to the other way, I'd have been done for. Yeah.
If there were stitches involved, that's nasty. 5
stitches, and I actually got hit right here. It's black. I got a black eye out of it. I'm all right, but
holy cow. Bobby,
yeah.
Take it easy. That is a close call. Yeah, glasses are no joke. My dad's really good about taking safety seriously. He takes a ton of risk too. So he understands fully why sometimes you got to just be productive and get to work and choose to take risks. But there's some risks that, you know, you shouldn't take. You know, putting glasses on, you know, then take other risks, but don't risk your eyes, because you can't buy those on Amazon, you know.
Exactly. You only get one set. I had my phone in my pocket, and it was recording the whole thing. Like, it was on audio, at least, you know what I mean? But yeah, dude, I love that. I can't wait to try it, dude. I always find myself like trying to squash the ground instead of dig it, because with the hammer, you know, I mean, there's nothing to dig with on a sledgehammer. That's this on both sides. So I use screws, so I have to have something like this, which is, I'm very grateful. Is there a way that people can get them? You can get these on your website or on your YouTube page.
Yeah, they're available on our website, essentialcraftsman.com. And like I said, they're handmade by Andrew in the US. And then my mom packages and ships them. They're really neat tools. And I'm telling you, I love tools so much. I love them because I know when I buy one, unless I lose it, that I'm going to have it until I'm an old man. And so I can like acquire a tool. It just puts a smile on my face. And I don't know, maybe for some of your viewers who are concrete guys, they could see the value.
You guys were the first people that gave me my first break at like 400 subscribers. They gave me a podcast. I'll put the end card at the very end of this video, man. And just that alone, I appreciate that. And that means a lot for me. So if it means anything to my subscribers, and I know we got some people because I see people in the comment section on your page, you know, that cross over. So if you guys would, and you guys want to support it from one YouTuber to another, go support Essential Craftsman. Check out these hammers if you're a concrete guy.
I hope it works. You know, don't give up on your trusty hammer you had forever, because that thing is not obsolete yet. But who knows? You know, sometimes it's nice to have two. You have one job and one in the truck, or one at home, or whatever. So not to take away from your trusty hammer.
No, the ones I don't like are the ones with the long hammers, the long handle, because everybody knows you'll end up probably getting hit where the sun don't shine eventually if you use those.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, you got it.
Well, hey, man, I didn't mean to interrupt your day, but I appreciate you hopping on here for me, man. It'll always make the video better when you can have a interaction with another YouTuber, man, you know?
Heck yeah. Well, have a good one, man. I'm like squinting up a storm here. I'm working on a pavers project. It's not concrete, but I'm a little bit in your world right now by doing this, and I'm having a great time.
Hey, man, have fun. Yeah, I'd like to see it when it gets done, so send me some pictures on a text message or something.
All right, thanks, buddy. Talk later.
All right, thank you. Peace.
Bye.
All right, so the moral of the story is wear your damn safety glasses.